Anything you throw in your trash bin, whether paper, plastics, glass, metals, rubber, leather, textiles, and leftover food, is known as solid waste. Such solid wastes are dumped in large garbage bins placed in your locality. Apart from households, waste is also generated by offices, schools, and hospitals, which is called municipal solid waste. This waste is then collected by the municipality and ultimately dumped far away from the city. For years, municipal solid wastes have been dumped in open lands outside towns and cities. Heaps of solid wastes were burnt to reduce the volume. However, this waste was not completely burnt and soon became a breeding ground for rats and flies. Later, open dumping grounds were replaced by sanitary landfills, in which wastes were compacted and dumped in a depression or trench. Sadly, these landfills did not provide an answer to the increasing amount of municipal solid wastes, as the landfills filled up faster than expected. Moreover, leaching of harmful chemicals from these landfills was also contaminating groundwater. So, what is the best way to handle solid waste? The best way is to segregate it into three categories: recyclable, biodegradable, and non-biodegradable. Recyclable or reusable wastes such as glass bottles, some types of plastics, and paper can be given to rag pickers. While biodegradable wastes such as vegetable, fruit, and food wastes can be put into composting pits in gardens. The remaining non-biodegradable wastes such as plastic, thermocol, chemicals, and paints need to be carefully handled. In fact, plastic is one of the main components of municipal solid waste, as its use in packaging has increased tremendously in the last few years. For instance, this chocolate is wrapped in 2 protective layers of plastic. Similarly, most food items are packaged in multiple layers of plastic. Moreover, the use of plastic bags has significantly contributed to environmental pollution, as it has choked drainage pipes and caused severe land pollution. State governments across the country have therefore taken serious steps to reduce the use of plastic bags and have encouraged the use of eco-friendly bags. A highly commendable effort taken by Ahmad Khan, a plastic sack manufacturer in Bangalore, is worth mentioning. He found an impressive solution to beat the ever-increasing problem of plastic waste. About 8 years ago, his company developed Polyblend, a fine powder of recycled modified plastic. This material was mixed with bitumen and used in the construction of roads. In fact, in collaboration with RV College of Engineering and the Bangalore City Corporation, Ahmad Khan was successful in proving that the lifespan of such roads increased 3 times. With such innovative solutions, we shall soon be able to eliminate environmental problems due to plastic. Besides plastic waste, another hazardous waste that requires attention is medical waste, which is disposed by hospitals, nursing homes, and clinics. It consists of harmful materials such as disposable syringes, surgical instruments, tubes, bottles, disinfectants, and blood-soaked cotton. With the aim to control the treatment and disposal of medical waste, the Biomedical Waste Management Rules were issued under the Environment Protection Act in 1998. Since then, the use of medical incinerators has become crucial in hospitals and nursing homes, where medical wastes are properly burnt. Another solid waste that requires serious attention is electronic waste, commonly known as e-waste, and includes irreparable computers and other electronic goods. Sadly, more than half the e-waste generated in developed countries is exported to developing countries such as China, India, and Pakistan for recycling, in which metals such as copper, iron, silicon, nickel, and gold are recovered. Cheap laborers manually handle the e-waste and are exposed to toxic substances such as lead, mercury, and cadmium. Such toxic substances pose a threat to human health and the environment. Although recycling is the only solution for treating e-waste, the process must safeguard human and environmental health. Therefore, it is essential to recycle and reuse as many items as possible, as it plays a crucial role in managing and reducing solid wastes.